Hi, I am Abdul Mamun from Daffodil International University in Textile Engineering. Welcome to my video resume. During my study life, I not only spent my time in study, but I was also involved in extracurricular activities like computer courses. I think I am a very energetic person. I finished my internship and thesis and also posted to my blog, and I published it to Daffodil International University library website. I am looking for excellent and challenging job so that I can show myself as a quick learner. I want to join this company because this company provides me many opportunities to learn and shine. If you given a chance, I will give you 100% and be a great asset to your company. If you want to know more about me, I will be waiting here for you. Thank you.